Good morning to everybody and welcome to my second day class online class of maths in class 10. In my last class we discussed about the quadratic equations and its representation in different situations in the form of quadratic equations in exercise 4.1. Now today we will discuss and work out about the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. You see here the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization in page number 99 in your mathematics. So let us see the exercise 4.2, taking an example from our textbook. Number 1, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Number 1 say x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. How we will find the roots by factorization method? You see, say this is the question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Here you can see that x square is a quadratic term, minus 3x, 3x is a linear term, and minus 10, that is 10 is a constant term. There are three terms which is in the form a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, a be real numbers, a b c are real numbers, and x is a variable. So when you compared ax square with 1x square, here a equal to 1, a equal to 1, and b equal to minus 3, and c equal to minus 10. So first of all we have to multiply the constant term. That is step 1, first you multiply the quadratic term by constant term, that is minus 10 into x square, 10x square. And then second step, split the product, this is 10x square, in such a way that the sum of two multiples or factors must be the middle term. So we can have product, say multiples of 10 minus 10x square will be twice x and 5x, that is one is minus, one other is plus. Say take this minus 5x, again twice x into 5x, this will be minus, since the product will be minus 10x square, and the sum of the multiples must be minus thrice x, the middle term. Again we can, another factor will be x into 10x. This can be, say, either 10x, x minus 10x, and again x minus x equal to plus 10x. So there are four options. There are four options in the factors of minus 10x square. So which one will be effective, which one will be correct for us, so that the sum of two factors we can get minus 3x. So here if we take number 1 plus twice x minus 5x, then we'll get surely minus twice x. So we can put here x square minus 5x minus 5x plus twice x equal to 10 equal to 0. So number 3 step, take common of the terms, the two terms, that is These are 2 is 2 terms. So here x square minus 5x, x is common here, x minus 5 plus 2 common here. Then if x minus 5 here is here common, there must be a common x minus 5 here also. So we'll get x minus 5 multiplied by 2. When we multiply x minus 5 by 2, twice x and minus 10 we'll get. So here again x minus 5, these are common. So take one x minus 5, then the remaining is x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 is 0. Now we know that when two numbers are product of two numbers are equal to 0 is 0, then one must be 0. So therefore either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Now if x minus 5 equal to 0, then x equal to 5. Again if x plus 2 equal to 0, then x will be minus 2. Therefore roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 6 minus 10 equal to 0. So the roots of the quadratic equation will be equal to minus 2, 5. This is the two zeros of the quadratic equation. Zeros means value. So similarly, you can solve question number 2 to 10. So now next we will proceed number 3. Question number 3. 2 is given. Solve the problem is given in example 1. So you try number 2 and 3. I'm going to demonstrate you. So here 3 is given. Question number 3 is given. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, just wait. So given the sum of the product is we have to find the sum of we have to find the two numbers which sum is 27 and product is 182. So let one of the numbers be x. The other number will be 20x minus x. Since the product is given, the product of the two numbers is given 182. Therefore by question since the product of two numbers is given 182, so x into 27 minus x equal to 182. So just you multiply x with 27 minus x, then we'll get 27x minus x square equal to 182. So it is not in the form of quadratic equation, the standard form. So we must arrange it in the quadratic equation like x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where is not equal to 0. So it is a standard form of quadratic equation. So we should bring these terms into this standard form of quadratic equation. So then we will arrange it. Minus x square will be first quadratic term, then the linear term 27x, and we transform this 182 to left hand side, then we'll get 1 minus, minus 182 equal to 0. So again, we take minus 1 has common, x square minus 27x. This will be plus 182 equal to 0. And again, x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. No? Minus is taking common. So we will get, finally we get x square minus 27x plus 82, which is standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we factorize this quadratic equation factorization method. Here, first of all, first step as we discuss again, multiply the quadratic term by 182 the constant term, then we'll get 182 x square. So step 2. Now in step 2. So 182, the product of this split into two factors in such a way that the sum of the two factors must be the middle one. So 182, here we can find the factors in a way that there are so many factors. So say 291, no, 1, again 182 maybe 13 into 14, again 182 maybe 7 into 26. There are so many factors, so we take only one. So say thrice x into 14x, twice x into 91x, 7x into 26x. We should see which one will be correct for us, so that the sum of the two factors must be minus 27x. So this will be taken as minus, no, minus, so that product will be plus 182x square. Here we can see that out of these factors, if we take the first one, minus thrice x and minus 14x, then its product is plus 182x square, and sum of these two terms will be minus 27x. So we should take this first option. So we put x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 equal to 0. So now third step in take common out of two terms, this term. So here common is x minus 13. Here if here is common x minus 13, then it should be, the next one will be it will also x minus 13. This will be, say take 14 into x, 14x minus into minus plus 14 13s are 182, therefore 0. So x minus 3 here is common, so we should take x minus 13 here into another is x minus 14 remaining, x minus 14 equal to 0. So either x minus 13 equal to 0 or x minus 14 equal to 0. If x minus 13 equal to 0, then x will be 13. Again, if x minus 14 equal to 0, then x will be 14. Therefore, the roots of equation, this equation is 13 and 14. Therefore, the two numbers are 13 and 14. Therefore, the required two numbers are 13 and 14. So we can also prove it. So sum of the two, according to question, sum of the two numbers is 27, and product is 13 into 14 is product is 182, right? So our assumption, our result is okay. So you can also try 4, 5 and 6 in this way. You do please try at home. So thank you for today. Okay, thank you.